dear students, today we'll study Class 4 EVS Chapter 14 Basava'S Farm. In this lesson, we will learn about the different steps of farming and we will know about the onion cultivation. Basava'S father lived with his family in Karnataka. Basava'S father is a farmer and he says that it is the month of July and like every year his father is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. So, what is the important point? That onion crop is sown in the month of July. Children, there are so many things to be done at this time. So, let's see those things. The first step is to loosen the soil and make it soft. So for this, Basava'S father or any farmer uses kuti, which is an iron rod, to dig the soil and to loosen it and to make it soft. This is the first step, as you can see in this picture. This is a kunti, or we can say in Hindi kudal, a tool used in farming to dig and loosen the soil. After plowing, you can see this farm is ready for sowing the seeds. In this picture, we see the bullocks pulling the KURIGE and the sprinkling of seeds done by the farmers. Children, nowadays tractors are also used for the sprinkling or the sowing of seeds. Children, look at this picture. These are the onion seeds. And when the seeds are sown in the field, it is very necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at a regular distance. Otherwise, the seeds will not grow properly. After sowing the seeds, one has to wait for 20 days. After 20 days, the onion saplings or sprouts come out. You can see in this picture, these are the saplings or the small onion plants. With the onion crop, many unwanted plants also grow around the crop and they are called weeds. So the question comes, why should weeds be removed from the fields? Weeds are the unwanted plants which grow along the crops in the field. The weeds take up all the water and minerals meant for the crop. The actual crop does not get enough water and minerals to grow, so weeds must be removed from the field. Now, the last step is harvesting. When the leaves start getting yellow, that indicates that now it is the time to harvest the crop. So the onions are cut with the sickle and they are put in a big sacks and then they are sold to the market. Think what will happen if onions are not taken out at the right time? If onions are not taken at the right time, what will happen? They will rot in the ground itself and all the hard work of farmer will be a waste. See, these are the onions. How beautiful they look. They look like a bulb and a tube. You can see in this picture that a lady is cutting the leaves of the onions. The leaves are already dried. They are yellow in color, which I told you is an indication that the time has come to harvest the onions. And she's using an mlige, which is used to cut the leaves from the top of the onions. After the leaves are cut from the onions, they are put in a big sacks and loaded in a truck, and now the onions are ready for the market. Children, the lesson ends here. I hope that you all understand the lesson. Let's see some important points of the chapter once again. Different steps are involved in onion cultivation, from sowing seeds to harvesting, like tilling, plowing, sowing, harvesting. Implement used are khunti, kurige, mlige, sickle. Onion crops are sown in the month of July. Onions are stored in gunny bags and sold in market or mandi.